My name is Danny Flores. I'm an MMA fighter, fighting under the Red Hawk Academy. I originally came here with a back injury. I have 3 bulging discs, 1 herniated. I was put on the shelves for maybe a year because of this injury. My inflammation on my back is pretty much, since everything's torn, I would say, my inflammation levels were off the roof. My bulging disc was hitting my sciatic nerve. I was told that I maybe had to have surgery. I was told that I wouldn't be able to come back. The goal was not only to get a fight, but also be able to get through a fight camp. And the peptides allowed me to successfully be able to do that. I'm actually fighting this Saturday. I'm so grateful that I'm able to fight, not only fight, but to be able to go through a fight camp. The peptide therapy they're recommended for my inflammation pretty much just helps with the inflammation, puts blood flow all over your body. We were on a cycle of a month. Afterwards, the pain pretty much went from a level of 7 being the worst to maybe a 2 or 3 on a bad day. So it's really, the results speak for themselves. Come in, get a free consultation, and if these supplements that they offer make sense for you, there's not a better place to do it than here. Super professional, gave me multiple options. I couldn't be more happy with my experience that I had with them.